In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mouse effects animation in Wix Studio. Adding mouse-driven motion is a simple way to make buttons, images, and text feel alive, and you can do it entirely inside the Wix Studio editor. Start by logging into your account, opening your site in Wix Studio, and choosing Edit Site. That opens the visual editor where you'll design and preview everything in one place. Next, choose the element you want to animate. This can be an image, a button, a line of text, a container, or even an icon. Click it once so its settings panel appears on the right. Seeing that panel is your confirmation that the element is selected and ready for interaction settings. With the element selected, open the interaction section in the right panel and click Add Interaction. This drawer is where you'll define what user action should trigger movement and which animation will play in response. Pick a mouse trigger. Hover starts when the cursor moves over the element. Click plays after the user presses the element. Mouse in fires as soon as the cursor enters, and mouse out runs when it leaves. Hover is the most common choice for desktop experiences. If a significant portion of your traffic is on touch devices, remember that hover doesn't exist there. So a click-based interaction can be a better fallback. Choose the animation effect that matches your goal. Fade is great for subtle emphasis. Scale or zoom enlarges or shrinks to draw attention. Move and slide shift the element's position to guide the eye, while rotate adds a playful twist that works nicely for icons or arrows. Now customize the details so the motion feels natural. Adjust the duration to control how fast the animation plays, and use delay if you want it to wait a moment before starting. Set a direction where relevant and tune intensity or distance to keep the effect tasteful. Small, quick motions often feel snappier and more professional than large, slow ones. Use the built-in preview to check your changes as you go. When you're ready to test in context, click Preview at the top of the editor and move your mouse over the element. Make sure it responds as expected and doesn't distract from nearby content. If anything feels off, jump back to the Interactions panel and refine the settings. Finally, click Publish. Your mouse effect is now live on your website. Revisit these settings anytime as you add new elements, keeping your interactions consistent across the page.